In this video, I'm going to go through the process of how to download and install the Pin Inspector software on your computer running a Windows operating system. Now, the computer I have right now is a Windows 10 computer that I'm working on right now, but this should work on other versions of Windows as well. So once you get to the download page, what you want to do is under the Windows download section here, you want to click on download here, so the big green button. So that will download the compressed zip file. And so I'm just going to go ahead and download it to my downloads folder on my computer. So it brings up my Windows Explorer, and you can see it just automatically goes to my downloads folder. Now, if you don't know where sort of to download it to your computer, one of the easiest places to download is just on your desktop, if you're comfortable with that. But I'm going to go ahead and download it to my downloads folder. So we're going to go ahead and click save. And I'm using the Chrome web browser. And sometimes when Chrome sees a brand new zip file, it may provide like a little friendly warning down here saying, we're not sure if this file is safe or not, but don't worry, all my software is safe. I design all my software from scratch myself, and I make sure there are absolutely no viruses or anything like that, malware and all that kind of stuff, before I upload the setup files to the internet. So everything is safe, and my software cannot harm your computer in any possible way. So once you get it downloaded, if you see a little warning there, there'll be like a little drop down here, and it'll say something like keep anyways. So you just select that. Now, if you're having a problem with Chrome, you can also use Firefox or Microsoft Edge as well. You don't have to use the Chrome web browser. So now that we got it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and click here and show in folder. So it's going to be in my downloads folder. And now I'm going to extract the contents of the zip file. So the setup file is contained inside of this zip file. So a zip file is just like a compressed file. So let's go ahead and do that. In Windows 10, it's very simple. You right click and select extract all. And it will tell you to extract the contents of the file to another folder that is the exact same name as the zip file. So when I click extract, it's going to create another folder with that name in it. You see right here, and inside that folder is the zip file, and we can go ahead and install it. Now, before I do that, I do want to show you some other ways to uninstall, because that may not work for your particular version of Windows. Another way to do it is you can, in all Windows, you can actually just double click a zip file, and it kind of goes inside of it, and it kind of looks like a folder, but it's not. You were actually inside of the zip file. So to get the zip file out of there, there's a bunch of ways to do it. One really simple way to do it is you left click and just drag it somewhere. So I can just left click it, drag, and let go. And now I just put it in here, just like that. Pretty simple, right? That's one way of doing it. Another way to do it, if you double click in here, you can right click, select copy, and now go wherever you want on your computer, and just anywhere kind of in the white space, right click and paste. So it's pretty simple to extract the contents of the zip file. So now we've done that, let's go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to go in here and install here. Now what you want to do is you want to right click and select run as administrator. Now if you right click and you don't see run as administrator, don't worry, just simply left double click that file. But for now, I'm going to go right click, run as administrator. And for the first time installing the software, you're going to see this little warning. But as I mentioned before, you don't have to worry about my software having anything wrong with it. So just click on this more info link and then click on run anyways. Now the installation will come up, and all you have to do is click accept. Next, it tells you where you want to install it. Create a shortcut on my desktop, click install, and then I want to launch Pin Inspector. And the very first time you launch Pin Inspector, it's going to ask you to enter the email address that you used to purchase the software. So you have to enter in your email address right here, the same email that you entered when you ordered the software. So you went to the order page and you had to enter in your information, like credit card or your PayPal, and on that page you had to enter your email. You have to enter the exact same email that you entered on that page. So I'll do that here. And then you click register. Now the software is fully activated and will work on your PC computer. Thanks for watching.